I'm going to prepare the machine for dialysis, which is by loading a cartridge in it that all the blood goes into rather than actually touching the machine itself, and get those all primed. I'll show you how to do that. And first you need to go ahead and open a bag of saline. Just got some tear tabs, and we've got a nice nifty little pole here to hang it on. And then I'm going to turn on my dialysis machine, which is just a switch in the back, and that'll go through a boot and test. And then I'm going to go ahead and open one of the cartridges where all the blood will go through itself. And a little tear tab on the top. So what I need to do is take these off. Pretty simple, just pull on them and they'll come off. And then these tie out this loop of tubes together. I'm going to pull these off. And then I'm going to check all my connections and make sure they're tight. Actually, you saw that one was loose. I'm going to tighten it up. Tighten that one up. That one up. I'm going to take the saline tee and loosen it. Just kind of let the pressure settle, and then tighten it up. And tighten this one up here. Over here I'm going to tighten my heparin line and actually clamp it right now. I found it a little bit easier for me. I'm going to clamp that and then check the cap on the filter. You can see the two flashing yellow lights, which means it's ready to put the cartridge in the machine. I'm going to hold on to that, grab the red one, and by doing that it kind of helps untangle all the tubes as I get ready to put in the machine. So the cartridge just slides in, and there's three places to push it back. Right here at the top, right here on the top right, and then down here on the bottom right. And I'll go ahead and pull that off. That kind of helps keep the tubes from tangling up. And push it closed, clamp it in place, pull the cap off the saline, and then go ahead and spike it. And I'm ready to go ahead and hit prime, which is right now the only light lit. I'm going to press it. And as you can see now, all the air is being pushed out by the saline that's in here, and it'll be replaced in these tubes. So the air is going to leave by pushing in water or saline into the tubes. And you can see that happening here over about the next 15 minutes before I'm ready for the next step.